Mr. President, for that wonderful introduction. When you get such an introduction, it makes your job very tough because you are already elevated to a position from where you have to elevate yourself to the next position, and he has made it really difficult for me today. The theme for the day: you're not what you repeatedly do. Excellence is an event. It's not an event. It's a habit. When we think of you're not what you repeatedly do, you're what you repeatedly do. Excellence is an event. Is not an event. It's a habit. Okay. Consider coming to Toastmasters week after week, month after month. We had been doing things what we had been doing things here, and we had been doing to the best of our capabilities. Well, can we change these things to bring in new change? This theme says you are what you repeatedly do. But is it becoming a loop where we are doing the same things again and again? These are the questions which we have to ask ourselves. If we have to go out of comfort zone, we have to bring in change. Bringing in change is the biggest challenge because keep changing the change is really important. Bringing in one change will not help. Toastmasters, in my opinion, we have to keep inventing new ways in engaging, entertaining, and persuading people in Toastmasters club. For the benefit of the guest, a typical Toastmaster session consists of three sessions. First one is prepared speech session, where Toastmasters would have prepared speeches from the respective manuals and will present it in front of the audience. The second session is impromptu session. A table topic master will throw a topic in random, will ask any one of you to come on stage and speak on that topic for at least 1 minute to 2 minutes. Last session is general evaluation session. A general evaluator will evaluate the meeting right from the beginning till the end, giving his valuable inputs about the areas where we can improve and about the areas where we have done well. Today, we have a young budding Toastmaster of Sunshine Toastmasters Club who has taken up the role of general evaluator. When I think of this Toastmaster, I remember 3 E's. He is energetic, he is enthusiastic, and he is engaging. When you talk to him after giving your speech, no doubt you will get evaluation just like that. You don't have to ask him anything. He is so enthusiastic and engaging in giving his evaluation that it comes out naturally to him. Dear Toastmasters, put your hand together for today's general evaluator, Apu.